Hello everyone, I, Namrata Rathod, Assistant Professor of Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today we discuss about the reaction of fats and oil. Fats and oil are triester of glycerol and containing saturated and unsaturated fatty acid. They undergoes reaction of ester group in triplicate and carbon-carbon double bond. Fats and oil give the following reaction. The first reaction is hydrolysis reaction, second is hydrogenation reaction, third is hydrogenolysis reaction, fourth reaction is halogenation reaction, fifth reaction is oxidation reaction, sixth reaction is saponification reaction, seventh reaction is rancidity of oil, and last drying oil. All reactions are used in fats and oil. Now discuss about the first reaction is hydrolysis. NaOH causes hydrolysis of fats and its result in NaOH causes hydrolysis of fats and its result in the cleavage of ester linkage of fat to give glycerol and sodium salt of long chain fatty acid. Fats and NaOH, the formation of glycerol and soap known as soap. Hydrolysis can also be done by heating fat with water under pressure. Alkaline hydrolysis of fat produce salt of fatty acid called soap, and hence this reaction of sodium salt of carbon atom and high fatty acid. Soap molecule having both lipophilic lipid loving and hydrophilic water loving group. The lipophilic group dissolve oil while hydrophilic portion dissolve water. The soap molecule on the dissolution in water on micelle hydrolysis reaction can be done by three steps. The first reaction is based on the hydrolysis, second by superheated state, third is enzyme hydrolysis. In hydrolysis reaction, it is a formula of and structure of fat. Fat react with 3 moles of sodium hydroxide and formation of glycerol and so it is a reaction of hydrolysis. First point is base hydrolysis. Glycerol and sodium or potassium salt of high fatty acid soap are obtained on heating fats and oil with NaOH or KOH solution. Base hydrolysis of fats or oil is also known as saponification. In this reaction, the fats or oil react with 3 moles of NaOH and formation of glycerol and salt of fatty acid and soap. It is a base hydrolysis reaction. The next one reaction is by superheated steam reaction. Fats and oil undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of lime, zinc oxide or manganese under at atmosphere pressure and at 170 degrees Celsius. On cooling, free fatty acid separate out along with some calcium or zinc or magnesium soap. For example, it is a structure of tristyrene react with 3 moles of sodium hydroxide, the formation of glycerol and soap. It is a reaction of by superheated steam reaction. The next point is enzyme hydrolysis. On adding lipase enzyme to an emulsion of fat in water, fats undergoes hydrolysis and form acid and glycerol in 2 to 3 days. It is an enzyme hydrolysis. Second reaction is hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. Vegetable oil are triglyceride of unsaturated fatty acid. Example, oleic acid and linoleic acid. Catalyst hydrogenation at low pressure introduce hydrogen across the carbon-carbon atom, carbon-carbon double bond of the acid components of triglyceride, resulting in the saturated glyceride solid fat at room temperature. This process of hydrogenation is termed as hardening of oil. Hydrogenation is process by which hydrogen is added direct to the point of unsaturated in a fatty acid. In this process, in the process of hydrogenation, hydrogen gas is reducted with this vegetable oil. This hydrogen is reacted with this vegetable oil of elevated temperature and pressure in the presence of catalyst nickel and formation of solid fat and glyceryl triolate. This is a triolate. Its melting point is 55 degree Celsius. 55 degree Celsius. Hydrogen is converted into double bond in oil to single bond. This hydrogen bond is converted double bond into single bond. Unsaturated, the solid product of hydrogenation form oil and used to make margarine and other hydrogenated items. Process of partially hydrogenation is used in manufacturing of vegetable ghee or oil, vegetable ghee, dalda. On the other hand, complete hydrogenation will be in a hard brittle fat. So this is a reaction of hydrogenation reaction. Third point is hydrogenolysis. Hydrogenolysis means hydrogenation involving cleavage. In this reaction, the ester group of triglyceride, fats or oil are reduced with hydrogen in the presence of copper chromate. It is a copper chromate catalyst under the high pressure and temperature. This reaction gives glycerol and long chain primary alcohol corresponding to the acid portion. When react the glyceride trilaurate react in the presence of copper chromate in high pressure and temperature, the formation of chloride, alcohol and glycerol. This is reaction of hydrogenolysis. The obtained long chain alcohol are used for manufacturing detergent. So this is reaction is hydrogenolysis. Next reaction is halogenation reaction. In this reaction, unsaturated fatty acid and their ester take up halogen like bromine and iodine, their double bond at room temperature in acetic acid and methanol solution. In this reaction, linoleic acid and halogen react in the presence of acetic acid and methanol at room temperature. The formation of 9, 10, 12, 13 tetraiodostearic acid. The iodine group is present on number of carbon atom. First there are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. This is 18 carbon. There are 18 carbon atom present in this chain. And function. Halogen group are present on position 9 position of carbon atom, 10 position, 12 and known as 9, 10, 12 and 13 tetra. Number of iodine is present 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is tetra. Group is iodo group. Halogen is iodo halogen and stearic acid. So 9, 10, 12, 13 tetraiodo stearic acid. This is reaction of halogenation